When your AT&T U-verse Box power button is flashing green, it's trying to tell you something important about its current status. The flashing green light is a diagnostic indicator that typically means your box is in the process of starting up, downloading software updates, or experiencing connectivity issues. To understand what this means, let's compare it to the other light states your U-verse Box can display. Now let's explore the most common causes of a flashing green light on your U-verse Box. It's important to understand that AT&T is currently transitioning customers from traditional U-verse to streaming services, so knowing how to troubleshoot these issues helps maintain your current service. Remember, a flashing green light is your U-verse Box communicating its status. In the next section, we'll cover the specific troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve this issue. The first and most effective troubleshooting step is a simple power cycle. This method resolves approximately 60% of flashing green light issues. Unplug the power cord from your U-verse Box and wait exactly 30 seconds. This allows the internal components to fully discharge and reset. After 30 seconds, reconnect the power cord and wait 5 to 10 minutes for the box to fully boot up. The green light should stop flashing and become solid when the process is complete. If the power cycle doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to check all cable connections. Loose or damaged cables are a common cause of connectivity problems. Ensure the coaxial cable is tightly connected to both your U-verse Box and the wall outlet. This cable carries the television signal and must be secure for proper operation. Next, check your HDMI cable connection. This cable transmits both video and audio signals to your television and must be firmly seated in both devices. If connections are secure but the problem persists, test your internet connection speed. U-verse requires a minimum of 25 megabits per second for optimal performance. If your speed test shows results below 25 megabits per second, restart your home router. This can resolve temporary network issues and improve connection stability. For persistent issues, consider a factory reset. This will restore your U-verse Box to its original settings, but be aware that all saved recordings and custom settings will be permanently erased. Important warning, a factory reset will erase all your saved recordings, scheduled recordings, and custom channel settings. Only proceed if other troubleshooting steps have failed. If the flashing green light continues for more than 30 minutes after trying these steps, or if you notice unusual heat or a burning smell from your equipment, contact AT&T support immediately for professional assistance.